question from James Carney. H1B, this is definitely, I know there are a lot of students moving from F1, then they take day one CPT, and then there is an RFE from the USCIS because they don't like the day one CPTs. 20 hours becomes 40 hours at school. I'm sure she doesn't want to go into, as an employer myself, I see this, we tell people, hey, this is, you have completed your OPT, STEM OPT, now you're back to school again. And, during pandemic, people were changing status to F1. But then to take this question and push this into UET to get some kind of insight, H1B stamped applicant in a day one CPT program. So I think I'm assuming after the day one CPT, then he got the H1B, picked in the lottery, and got a stamping. No, tried for a stamping, I guess. Got 221G in April 2023. This is 2024. Anyway, is this, I'm assuming 2024 now, no, it's not April yet. Is this typical? Does day one CPT face more scrutiny? I was just talking about it. Usually 221G is resolved in 60 days, correct? That's based on the internet research. I don't think so, but if you can quickly throw some light on this, we are running out of time. Thank you.
Okay, so first thing is, if you go on Udeti Visa's YouTube channel, I just did a great presentation on OPT CPT for students with an expert. So he talks about CPT and OPT. So if you're interested in that, he's awesome. Ron Cushing does a great job on that YouTube video, so you can go check that out. H1B stamping for an applicant in day one CPT, is this typical? Not typical. Could be considered a red flag for the consular officer. Maybe the consular officer wants to see, have you completed your education program? I don't know, you don't say, have you completed your education program? Did you misrepresent yourself in the last adjudication for your F1? There could be things going on there. They could want to look more into your petitioner. So it could just be, it could have nothing to do with your day one CPT. There's a wide variety of reasons. You can go into 221G for all the normal reasons, which is like end client verification and some questions about your petitioner, or they could want to check out your transcripts and education or history, or they want to see if you somehow misrepresented yourself during the last interview. It may not be a material misrepresentation. It may not matter. Even if you told them you wanted to go to XYZ school, you're still within your you can still legally transfer. There's nothing illegal about day one CPT programs, but the consular officer may say, okay, this is a red flag, or it may have nothing to do with CPT and have some other questions about your employer. So that probably doesn't answer anything, because the answer is it depends. But Dan, is that making sense?
Yes, of course. So.
Are you an IT consultant seeking a new opportunity? We offer job placement services for U.S. citizens, green cards, EADs, and visa holders. We also sponsor various work visas like H1B, E3, TN, and green cards. 20 plus years of experience in the industry. Exceptional employee benefits. Highly rated by our employees. Global presence with 200 plus recruiters and direct clients. Connect with us. Call us on the number 833-412-8472 or mail us at support@higheritpeople.com or visit our website www.higheritpeople.com.